medyo patapos si pandemic, may mga events na ulit. As you probably know, I've been hosting a lot of events, di ba? Tapos sabi ko, gawin ko na kaya ito full time kasi parang pandemic realization na pag ba namatay ako tomorrow, ginagawa ko yung gusto ko. Parang ganun. So I asked for a sign from the universe. I was in my corporate job back then. And then I hosted kasi sideline na yung hosting. I was hosting in a mall. Tapos si Tia works back. So universe, sign from the universe, Miss Universe 2015, Pia Horsback, step on stage, sabi niya, wow, ang galing-galing po niya, palakpakan po natin siya. You're doing a fantastic job. So akala ko parang showbiz lang. Kasi syempre, I've worked with a lot of celebrities already. They will tell you that you're good, or they praise you because you've done a fantastic job. But then what separated this kind of experience with Pia was, when I got home, I found an IG follow from the Miss Universe 2015 herself. And then, nag-DM pa siya, sabi niya, hey, I wasn't kidding a while back, let me send you over to Miss Universe because parang bagay na bagay ka doon, your energy, how you handle the crowd and everything else. So yun, so siya yung fairy godmother ko, not only in Miss Universe, but in doing this full time, in amassing the confidence, I suppose, and the trust in myself. So Hello Universe is about that, di ba? Believing in yourself first and foremost. And probably a Pia Horsback, or anybody naman would believe in you. And you will be able to have that confidence to carve your own space in the universe. Yeah, Hello Universe. This is for all the dreamers. It doesn't matter anong edad mo, di ba? Parang wala namang timeline yung pag-hello mo into your best self. So I hope you could really be inspired by this song, especially with this, oh my gosh, I'm so excited with this upcoming release of the music video. Kasi somehow at least iba talaga pag napapanood mo, yung papakinggan mo, it's nice already. Pero to get to visualize it via, of course, Midnight Dream Studio. And of course, the visionary Nicolo Cosme of Howl Digital. So na-excite na talaga ako. We've done a lot of sets kanina. So ang dami. Kumbaga kasi dami ng possibilities sa universe.
So, sinulat mo to.
I wrote this song.
You wrote this song and then hindi ka naman nahirapan.
Actually, yun nga. So, yung mga singer-songwriter, katulad ko, siguro kung may mga nanonood, yung mga karelate ko na iba-iba talaga minsan yung pagdating ng inspiration in writing songs. Sometimes you get a writer's block, diba? But ako, specifically for this song, I was driving home from hosting Miss Universe one time, nung back in, I think, 2023 or 2024, sa Pauwi ako. Tapos pumapasok lang yung melody sa utak ko already. So I was so inspired. It's been like one good show that I've hosted for Miss Universe. Tapos yun, parang na-move lang ako na parang feeling ko providential siya na sige, sulat mo na yan. Parang binubulungan ako ng Diyos na parang, okay, sige, sulat mo. Sobrang bilis lang yan. Natapos siya siguro in an hour, maybe, parang a couple of minutes. Kasi siguro alam ko na yung gusto ko sabihin eh. I mean, this is the story of my life right now, di ba? Embracing what you are capable of, you know, believing yourself, not doubting yourself, and finally just doing it. Kasi parang ang dami nating mga, kumbaga, probably you've been jaded because of all this stigma and all the things that you have experienced in your life, di ba? Na parang natigilan ka na, oops, huwag mong gawin yan, to do this full time, di ba? Just keep it as a sideline, ganda naman na sweldo mo or something. Pero finally, you know, when you really embrace what you love doing, do what you're passionate about, talagang magbubukas talaga, I don't know, you know, ang daming opportunities na nagbumukas talaga for me, and I'm so grateful, and I think it's a burst of my heart being grateful for all the opportunities, kaya ako nasulat ng mabilis yung Hello Universe.
So ito
It's my
yung
thank
first
you.
mo na compose na song?
Actually,
Ever?
madami na ako na-compose
okay.
before. I've been writing for different brands for their jingles. So, hindi ko lang mention kung ano yung mga brands. And then I've done some songs also, pero it's always kept lang as a personal, I mean, it's for personal use. Pero to get to release a song na to own that it's mine and that I'm so proud of, I suppose, and that really somehow aligns with where I am at a certain point in my life, ito yung first na parang sobrang relate talaga ako also.
So it will be released by Star Music ba? Tama ba?
This one actually is it's perfect timing that I just shot the music video now because I just recently signed with Star Music. So this song,
Congrats!
sakto, Universe Star.
Yes.
Nag-align din siya actually. So actually, I talked with Star Music for my second single release sana. So this one is not under Star Music yet, but then I want to make sure it's my baby song. It's my first single, so it's close to my heart. And I want to release first this song as a way of opening things up with Star Music. So ganoon din, parang pambukas din. Hello! Kasi nga hello.
Yeah.
diba? So hello Star Music. So at least parang kumbaga I open a new chapter kumbaga with a bang also with Star Music. So I will be releasing my first album kasi right after this one. So this is not a part of the first album. This is my first single. But then under Star Music, so I've written a couple of songs already. So I'll be releasing the album very soon. So at this moment, we are just polishing all the songs that are part of the album. And then we're gonna be releasing it sometime maybe April, May, I'm not sure kasi April we'll be talking pala about marketing and distribution and all that. So I'm not sure, baka around April, May, June maybe the latest na to release the first album.
How many songs yung nasa album?
That will consist of 6 songs, so it's a mini album.
Or
So, parang
EP.
Ganun. So ngayon tawag na nila mini album or something.
May naka-duet ka ba dito or you're solo?
Actually, may mga ini-envision si Star Music na collabs for this one because may mga song talaga na bagay for something, and we were talking also of the possibilities of getting to utilize the songs for mga teleserye or something. Pero kasi nga since we haven't met about the marketing and distribution yet, hindi pa namin na-iron out ano yung mga plans talaga. But I'm so excited. But they want the songs to be released and stand on on their own first for the album. And then tsaka na lang namin ipapasok doon yung collabs kasi syempre separate kumbaga push pa yung gagawin nila if merong mga collabs. Pero yun nga, I'm not opening any doors. I'm open to all possibilities. Just like Hello Universe, diba? It's really being open lang and it will come kung para sa'yo talaga.
So what's, ano yung genre ng album, Jasper? Is it a combination of like love songs, dance songs, pop music?
Actually, I'm not sure if it's a genre, but it's more of a story. Parang the album is called, parang mga kabanata, so parang chapters. So if you're gonna be listening or probably digesting the album, parang it's about as a person how you are evolving also. They're just very aligned also to my life. So it's first getting to sell the first song. It's about celebrating who you are as a person. Diba? Kasi how could you embrace other opportunities without getting to know yourself first? And yun nga, parang blossoming from there. Tapos may part doon na in love, nasaktan, na in love ulit, spread your wings, diba? And then open yourself up for new opportunities. So iba-ibang facet siya from yun nga, mayroong frou-frou to medyo may emote na mga song. So, in terms of the genre tuloy, meron din siya so pop R&B, tapos may ballad. Parang medyo combination siya. Because, yun nga, parang it's really more than a genre, it's really more of me as a person. I
Your
suppose, being
storytelling.
introduced. Kasi parang ang hirap din ikahon siguro, but at least for the first album, to box myself into a certain genre because yun nga, ang hirap din. When you're starting, I suppose. Feeling ko it's also sort of kinda an experiment for Star Music na okay, sige, we could see, sabi nila, the storytelling of this one and buo siya. That's why na-engganyo talaga sila to sign me kasi parang we love the story of the whole album. But then siguro hindi pa rin sila sure kung alin yung genre they want me to focus on. Pero yun nga, I think it's nice kasi at least there's always an opening for improvement and to, really harness my craft. Kasi nga medyo late bloomer din ako in doing this full time, di ba? I mean, hindi naman tayo kabataan na. Pero yun nga, parang at least parang ang sarap na binigay nila sa akin somehow yung free rein na sige, let's release this as it is, di ba? With your collaboration as a singer-songwriter.
Jasper, okay, saan po ito pwedeng pakinggan or mapanood sa platform?
Uy, itong Hello
Yeah.
Universe. So,
Ah,
Hello
yeah.
Universe, it will be distributed definitely across all platforms. Mainly YouTube for the full song. But then, syempre,
Spotify.
we'll utilize, the song itself is already online actually. Pero ito nga, medyo nahuli lang yung pinaka-video. Which I think, everything happens for a reason for me, so I'm just grateful through and through along the way. So you can listen to Spotify, to Apple Music, Deezer even. Sa YouTube, it's also available. So yun, the songs are there. Actually, we released there parang the -1 if you wanna sing and create a video. So they're looking forward for you to get to, utilize the song also. So you could also parang utilize the song for mga TikTok videos nyo, for mga IG Reels, even sa mga stories, Facebook, Meta, wherever. So please actually use it. Please. Nagmamaka. Please.
Walang copyright.
I'm not sure. Sa Facebook meron. Pero
Yeah,
sa Instagram
so-
naman pwede natin.
Gamitin.
Or parang minsan kapag you're gonna use it lang naman for some
30 seconds lang yan.
Yes. So kaya ano mo lang yung tune, edit mo lang.
Oh,
Just-
kaya sabahin mo, lagyan mo ng boses mo. Wow, wow, wow!
Alright, just mga ilang buwan or taon mo to nabuo yung na-compose yung Hello Universe.
Hello Universe, as mentioned kayo, nang bilis lang. Parang wala. Parang yun,
One day.
Wala pang one day.
Parang 1 hour lang.
Mabilis, 1 hour lang halos eh. Kasi parang sinabi lang ng puso at ng utak ko kung ano yung estado ng buhay at yun nga, parang I was feeling at that time.
Sinong dream mong makakolab?
Makakolab? I am a fan kung local siya ni KZ Tandi.
Crazy that.
I love her art.
Andito siya ngayon.
Dito po siya.
This one,
Please welcome Casey Tandigan!
Grabe, ang bilis na.
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nga star music na tayo.
Yes.
Yung mga dreams natin, unti-unti natin na
Pararating.
Diba?
Nakakatuwa kasi sobrang catchy ng song mo. Last year pa to. So at least may music video at kasama pa
Kasama tayo.
Actually, that's part of the plan talaga. I
Wow.
want to give back to an industry that has been very open to me. Di ba? Na parang ako, hindi ko naman nakalain na from just deciding or really opening myself up to the universe of possibilities na literal na universe ako kaagad, dire-diretso. Di ba? Parang hindi ko pinagdaanan yung mga although my life has always been preparing me for something siguro, and it just so happened na literal nga ako, nangingi ako ng sense sa universe, in the universe talaga ako. So, I wanna give back. Syempre, you guys, I mean, you've been the best also. Whenever I host, nabubuhayan ako because it's really a matter of community, di ba? Parang yung sense na yung mga kasama ka, we're all cheering on, di ba? We're all into this experience, and I really love my experience. Kahit na bago ko dun sa industry, kayo yung nagpa-at home sa akin. So I wanna make sure that the homes also, we get to see the people who made me feel at home.
Grabe, ang talented mo, no? At nagko-compose ka pa pala before ng mga jingle, no? Aside sa hosting.
Nakarating na kung saan-saan.
Invite.
Natutuwa naman ako kasi yun, parang it's
Go.
a mental game also eh.
Ikaw na.
Parang, ano po ba
May isa
yung
pa.
prank? What is it about?
Last na last.
So,
May isa.
yun, papasok mo lang talaga and then make it musical. Yun. Alam mo na.
Just first, from, di ba, host and then singer. So, open ka rin para pasukin yung showbiz, like acting, ganyan.
Feeling ko naman, alam mo, ngayon nga na full-time artist na tayo, kine-claim ko na, yun nga, open ako sa lahat actually. So, soon I'll be releasing a podcast also.
Ay, bagay sa'yo.
Wow. Oo.
Bigyan mo kami.
I-guess ko kayo.
Yes, tayo.
Siyempre, meron tayong mga ganung episode. Actually, I've shot my first 5 episodes already, but I haven't released it. So, kasi pag nirelease ko siya, dire-diretso. So, nagbabangko pa ako ng episode.
Parang per season.
Oo, tapos nag-acting ako ng konti kasi may mga commercials na may acting talaga. Tapos ang sabi naman ng mga director, kaya ka namin kinuha kasi you're a natural. So,
Super.
So baka hindi natin sasarado.
Just for example naman, acapella ng chorus
Girl.
lang.
Oo.
Ay,
Ng Hello
Universe.
Universe.
Wow. Sa kapela. Gawin natin ano.
3.
Hello, universe. We greet you loud and proud. Nakalimutan yung lyrics.
Ayan na.
Pero na yun.
Kasi nga natural ka.
Natural
So,
ka.
lang i-demonstrate yung mental block.
Kasi natural ka.
Okay.
Go!
Hello, universe. We greet you loud and proud, cause we got grit, no doubt. Hello, universe. We bring galactic dreams, spark change, we reign supreme. Hello.
May potential siya. May potential.
Grabe na.
Ready na po for mature roles.
Yeah.
Just invite mo na lang sila to
Download ba or watch?
Yes, our viewers. Yes, to stream. Where can they watch the video and how
And
can they
of course, your
support you?
socials.
Yes, hello. Hello, universe. Sana po ay naririnig niyo ako. Ito po si Jasper Tiong. So nananawagan talaga. Host, singer, songwriter, model, content creator, soon to be actor, and i-achieve na natin yan lahat. For you guys to get to check out Hello Universe, the song itself is already available on the different streaming platforms. And the music video with Midnight Dream Studio, and of course with the very talented director Nicola Cosme and How Digital, plus other collaborators. Masusurprise po kayo kung sino yung mga kasama sa video. It's gonna be really, really exciting. And my prayer really is for you to get inspired by the song and the music video to pursue whatever dream you have, to step on the fear, make it a springboard into your success and achieving anything that you want to achieve in your life. Say hello to the universe, reach for the stars, and make a move. Kasi syempre we believe that it starts with saying hello, but the work also should be done by you as well. So let us all say hello to the universe, and I hope na itag niyo po ako when you post at Jasper Tiongson. That's JAZPERTIONGSON across my social media accounts po. And sana po ay let me know kung ano yung masasabi niyo about the song as well. Kasi I really listen and I want to make sure that we get to address that also for my other songs. And my first album with Star Music, excited na rin po ako. Sana po ay mapakinggan niyo very, very soon. Magbabalitaan ko po kayo very, very soon about it. Ito muna tayo sa Hello Universe. One at a time lang, step by step sumakses po muna tayo. Thank you again. At sana po ay magkita-kita tayo soon. And sana mga concert na.
Wow! Concert lang!